Look at that. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Burger and Beer Bar, and the name of the series is Around the World in 80 Meals. Now today we're going to sunny California and we're going to make vanilla strawberry ice cream flambé. Mwah. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, so today we're going to make vanilla strawberry ice cream flambé. I was working in a restaurant in LA. I was 19 years old, and the head chef Dimitri, chef from Greece, taught me how to make this dessert. And it's very easy, very few ingredients, and very, very effective, and it looks great and it tastes fantastic. So let's go through the ingredients. Okay guys, so the vanilla strawberry ice cream flambé is divided up into two parts. One part, the actual dish, which is vanilla ice cream and strawberries. And you can pick up any vanilla ice cream that is in your territory where you live, the brand that you like. And the second thing you need are strawberries. So you can pick up any strawberries close to you, fresh ones, or you grow them yourself. It doesn't matter. So just pick up vanilla ice cream and strawberries. The second thing you need is for the presentation. And then there we need an orange. That's what we need. And for the second part, we need a liqueur. And you can pick up any liqueur to your liking. I'm not going to promote any kind of liqueur here, but whatever you fancy, but just make sure it's alcohol because you're going to flambe it. Okay, so what I've done now, I let the vanilla ice cream be out for about 10 or 15 minutes so it's softened up a little bit, it de-thawed a little bit. And the strawberries, I've rinsed them and I've cut them up into halves. Okay? Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm taking the ice cream and I'm actually scooping it up into a bowl. You see it here. Okay, so you take the amount of ice cream you need. And then you get a fork. And then you take the strawberries and you pour the strawberries into the vanilla ice cream. And then you just start mashing them up like this. Look at that. Now you're working the strawberries into the ice cream and you've mashed them in and mushed them in properly. Look at that. Look at that color. I see color. Look at that pink color of that ice cream now. Now you got strawberry ice cream. Now the ice cream is soft. That's okay. No problem. Now look at this. Wow, so now we work the strawberry into the vanilla ice cream in a bowl. And what you need to do now, it's softened up a little bit. So now we need to put it back into the freezer until we're ready to serve. Okay? All right, guys, so we're now a few hours later. I wanted to wait a little bit until it got dark outside because you serve this dessert best when you dim the lights and it's a little bit dark, because then you can see the flambé, or actually the alcohol when you light it up, how it burns and drips down over the ice cream, and it gives you that wow effect. Meanwhile, we're going to peel the orange right now. And then we'll take the fork and we just place the fork in here on top so you can actually hold the peel. Okay, so I've taken out of the strawberry ice cream out of the freezer and just going to let it sit out a little bit so it gets a little bit softer. Okay, so now we're just going to pour a little bit of the alcohol. Don't need more than that. And we're going to heat it up a little bit. Don't let it boil, because then you will boil off the alcohol. You're just going to warm it up before we light it up and actually pour it over the orange peel. Okay, so we dip the peel into the alcohol. Don't let it boil, just let it get warm. But the alcohol is getting soaked up into the peel, and it'll help it burn better. So let's just get warm before we light it up. Okay? Okay, we'll get the lighter. And here we go. You see how it's burning? And you pour it onto the peel. Ooh, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Alrighty guys, so now we flambéed it. Now we're just going to put it to the test and see actually how it tastes with the fresh strawberries and the liqueur. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, it's cold. Oh, I love those fresh strawberries. Look at chunks of those fresh strawberries that we mashed into the ice cream before. And the vanilla and the liqueur adds that little extra oomph, that little extra push for the dessert. Wow. And it's so fast to make. You make it only like in 10-15 minutes. You're done with the dessert. And you only need a few ingredients. But it's a showstopper when you actually light it on fire and you flambe. It looks great. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. And please make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss out on anything. And drop your thoughts and comments down below. And go wild, guys. And I'll see you next time. We'll see what we have in store, where we're going then. Okay, bye.